turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the holding clip for the air inlet conduit on the airbox. With a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the 4 holding screws on the air filter flange. Then, take off the flange, separating it from the inlet conduit. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter back in place. Replace the flange. To begin with, insert it into the inlet conduit, then flatten it down onto the airbox. Screw down the 4 flange screws. Then finish off the process by tightening the inlet clamping clip. Operation completed.